Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete a Bereal post. So guys, let's continue into your Bereal app. And at first we have to post a Bereal. So I will post a Bereal now. And guys, as you can see, my Bereal is posted. Now tap on the Bereal. And now tap on the three dots icon. Tap on delete my Bereal. And then choose any option you want. Then tap on yes, I'm sure. Now tap on delete. So guys, now your Bereal is deleted. And that's how you can delete a Bereal post very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.